In this video we are talking about if SEI has the potential to explode to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see, SEI is on place 68 of all cryptocurrencies. We are now around 45 cents with a market cap of $1 billion. And as you can see, the price of SEI increased about 25% in the last 7 days. And compared to altcoins like Avalanche, which is on place 9 of all cryptocurrencies, here's the market cap around $16 billion. So there's much potential to the top 10 altcoins right now. And of course, the potential if Bitcoin is going to the bull run is way higher. So if we are looking in the chart, we can see the strong bullish momentum. And today we made an all-time high with 49 cents. And I think the potential of SEI is very high because it seems like the project is very good and many people are buying SEI right now. And as you can see, we are in a bullish trend with higher lows all the way and higher highs. And the chance that we directly go to the upside is very high because we have this bullish momentum on SEI. So if you're a long-term investor, you could buy some coins right here. But if you want to wait to invest in better technical levels, then this demand zone is very interesting because from this demand zone we saw the latest push to the all-time high and we made a higher high. So if we're coming back into this demand zone and if we see a bullish reaction, then I would buy some coins here and hodl it into the next highs. And if we're breaking this demand zone to the downside, then I think the next relevant area is this demand zone right here. And if you see a bullish reaction here, then I would enter a long position and hodl it into the next highs. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like SEI, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. So long term, I'm really bullish on SEI. And I think the chance is really high that we see an explosion now because SEI is getting more popular and more people want to buy SEI. And especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside, then the chance is extremely high that SEI is also going to the upside. Because when Bitcoin is going into a bull run, the chance that altcoins like SEI, especially smaller altcoins, are also going to the upside is very high. And I think that then price increase about 800% is really realistic. Because if SEI is a great project, the chance that it comes into the top 10 altcoins is very high. And as I said, Avalanche has $16 billion. So the chance for 10x is very realistic. And as I said, if Bitcoin and the crypto market is going into a bull run, the chance that we see even higher prices is very high. So I think the chance is high that we can go directly to the upside. But if we see lower prices, then as I said, the chance that we see a reaction in this demand zone or in this is very high. So if we see a bullish reaction in this demand zone, then I would buy some coins right here and hodl it into the next highs. So what do you think? Has SEI a great potential for the future? And do you already bought some SEI? Or do you think that this project is scam? So thank you really much for watching. If you want to see some other price predictions on cryptocurrencies, then check out my end card. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.